In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a product requirement document in Notion. We're going to build a clear, practical PRD that your team can actually use. The goal here is to create one shared page that explains what the product is, why it matters, who it serves, and what success looks like. Keeping everything organized in Notion makes collaboration much easier, especially when multiple people need to review, contribute, and stay aligned. Start by creating a brand new Notion page for your product requirement document. Give the page a clean, recognizable title so it's easy to find later. This page will serve as the central source of truth for the project, so it helps to keep the layout simple and professional from the beginning. Next, add the product name along with a short project summary. The product name should be clear and specific, and the summary should briefly explain what the product or feature is and what it aims to accomplish. Think of this section as the quick overview someone can read in a few seconds to understand the project at a high level. After that, write out the problem or opportunity this product will address. This is one of the most important parts of the document because it explains why the work is worth doing. Be direct and specific. Describe the issue users are facing or the opportunity the business wants to capture, so the purpose of the product is easy to understand. Then define the target users and their needs. Identify who this product is being built for and explain what they need, expect, or struggle with. This helps keep the team focused on the user rather than just the feature list. The more clearly this is written, the easier it becomes to make better product decisions later. Now add the product goals, requirements, and success metrics. The goals should describe what the product is intended to achieve. The requirements should outline what needs to be included for the product to work as expected. The success metrics should explain how results will be measured, whether that's through adoption, engagement, completion rates, or another meaningful outcome. Next, include user stories, acceptance criteria, and technical notes. User stories help describe functionality from the user's perspective. Acceptance criteria clarify what must be true for the work to be considered complete. Technical notes give engineering or implementation context that may be important during development. Then add owners, deadlines, and any related project links. This creates accountability and gives everyone quick access to supporting materials, timelines, and connected documents. Finally, share the PRD with the team for feedback and approval. Encourage review from the right stakeholders so the document reflects shared understanding before execution begins. Once that's done, your Notion PRD is ready to guide the project forward.